birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manmeet.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
लो लो खिलाओ खिलाओ जल्दी खिलाओ तुम भी आ जाओ जल्दी से हाँ देखिए
Yeah, good.
ये दे देना दीदी को
Good morning, guys. Day 3 in Apollo Bay. It was a very special morning. This is the first time in 40 years that Manmeet has celebrated her birthday at 10 o'clock in the morning. Say happy birthday to her. And we are off to our new adventure. I'm not gonna अभी उसके details नहीं बताऊंगा, but very soon जब वहाँ पहुँचेंगे, because it's a surprise. It's a surprise for the driver as well, Manmeet. So जब वहाँ पहुँचेंगे, then I'll disclose what's in store. You know, डर के आगे जीत है. Face your fears. So stay tuned, guys. Manmeet is really scared of heights, and as a birthday surprise, myself and Sama had planned a skydiving jump for her. So we are at 12 Apostles SkyDiving. This jump from 15,000 feet, and for 1 minute it's gonna be a free fall, and after that it's gonna be normal, like in the parachute. The entire exercise is gonna take a couple of hours, so we'll be back shortly, guys. Stay tuned. Feet in there and face that way, so yeah, left foot, right foot in there. Yeah, it's got to get arms over it.
Yeah, I was wanted to do it.
Yep. Happy 40th, Manmeet. How do you feel? Can you hold the jacket, please?
And then at some point after North Node for about 30 seconds, I'll say legs, and this is the same for you. So feet, just you can go like this. Up the top of the strap.
So that's exactly how it is.
Exactly. Then you're going to hold on to your harness. Okay. You'll feel us moving around a little bit as we get into our exit position, and then we just roll up. What do we do when we're in free fall? Exactly. Do the same thing. Okay. All right. Let me just come over here where you stand not underneath the wing. Hello. How are you doing today? Yeah, about to go for a skydive? How are you feeling about it? A little bit nervous? Got the little ones here, yeah. Any special reason for the jump today? Yeah, kicking off the lip today. Beautiful day for jumping. You got the family over there? Hi guys!
Hey, guys.
Okay, let's go skydiving.
Have fun.
We will.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
So guys, if you don't mind, can I just tell you to just
Got the little ones here. Yeah, any special reason for the jump today or?
It's my 40th, so
40th, happy
I'll just
birthday.
Tick this off. Thank you.
Yeah,
from
tick
my
it off the
bucket
list today.
Yes.
Well, we've got a beautiful day for jumping. You got the family over there? Hi guys! Okay, let's go skydiving! Woohoo! Woohoo! I guess you're gonna jump in here? Jump in first? Hey Tom! Woo!
Oh my god.
Thanks guys!